been such a beautiful audience. Now I would request Saika ma'am to speak.
Children, I think first of all is one day. And what sort of Diwali we will celebrate this time? Yes? Green Diwali. So what is the meaning of Green Diwali? We will have green colors. Very good. Let's clap for him. So what is the Green Diwali? When we don't burst too many crackers. You can do little bit, but not like people are bursting crackers the whole night.
We can do little crackers.
Yes, you can do a few of them.
In fire, there are so many bad crackers.
Yes. And then, yes.
जो फटाते हैं ना, वो समझते भी नहीं है कौन से क्रैकर। वो फटाते जाते।
Yes. So children, we should understand that we can burn only few crackers, but not too many.
If we burst too many crackers,
Then what happens?
the greenery can go away. Who burst crackers, they get problems.
Yes. Loud from there on. You don't need a mic.
If you burst crackers, then also your air will be
Polluted. So the air gets polluted and we have breathing problems. When there's so much of smoke and dust and the crackers they release very poisonous gases, we have breathing problems.
जब हम पटाखे बजाते हैं तो trees भी नहीं होते.
Yes. So that side they have understood. Have you all understood what kind of Diwali we are celebrating? What kind? All of you together? And in Green Diwali we burst lot of crackers? We just enjoy by being together, eating sweets and wearing nice clothes, having good food. You can light some crackers, but not crackers the whole night.
If we burst too many crackers, they can even make a fire.
They'll make a fire, they will create lot of smoke, bad smoke, all gases going inside our lungs.
We can also make rangoli. If we burn all the crackers we have, our environment will burn.
So the environment gets dirty, we face problems, we have itching in the eyes. Have you ever experienced? Eyes में जलन होती है because of the gases in the air. And then sometimes we also get lot of coughing because we get irritated in the throat. And also what happens? We are not able to breathe properly because there is so much of smoke and carbon dioxide in the air. So children, this Diwali we will celebrate a
Green Diwali.
clean and green Diwali. We will enjoy with our family and friends. So wishing, now today you have to do one thing. You will all go and wish your parents. Say that the school has conveyed our best wishes for a safe, clean and green Diwali. So what is the motto for this Diwali? Safe, clean and green Diwali. Alright? So teachers, please help them that they should carry this message that we are all going to celebrate a loud happiness. Yes.
See, do so many